What's up, guys? So today I want to show you all why having a pre-market plan is super essential. So right here, basically, I was watching for a pullback at the green box, but I wanted to see regarding the footprint whether I see something different, something that catches my eyes, or like a big bid or something like that. So let's see what happens. So right there, we are approaching the zone. Yet the price hasn't even touched that zone yet. So as you all can see right there, we're getting like 3,000 loads on the beat. But is that really like a true seller? Is that a true seller? Is that a true buyer? I don't know. We don't know. So we have to get more context. We have to see what the next move is gonna be. And regarding that, it's uh, whether we're gonna base of decision if we wanna go long or if we want to go short. So yeah, the price is moving lower, but that doesn't mean that's a strong seller yet. Okay, so right now we're seeing the price moving higher. So what I was looking at that moment, if the price decides to go up, probably like a retest, or let's say the price decides to go to that area again, then I can put risk on the table. Then I can take the market long only if the price decides to hold. Other than that, I would invalidate this trade. So let's see what happens there. And here at this area around the 90s and the 95, I'm sorry, you can see like we were having a lot of blueprints, meaning that a lot of traders were actually buying, and so with this in mind, we had to think: is this a real buyer here, following by pressure from other buyers, or is this just like something that it's gonna trap retails? So that's why we have to be very careful here, and we have to wait for more confirmation at this moment, and yeah, just let the bill of the price. Okay, so with that in, in mind, uh, I wanted to show like a representation of the chart of what I was looking at the candles. I was looking essentially for a pullback at the 90 level, where if the buyer he was truly aggressive, I wanted him to hold the level, or to even reload on his position for me to actually get long. But for that to happen, I need to see more confirmation. I need to see a pullback for my risk to reward ratio to actually make sense. Because if I were to enter here to actually, like, let's say lose 5 points to make, I don't know, let's say if you target 90s, you're making 7 points. Like, the risk to reward ratio doesn't make sense. So yeah, I was just letting the price develop and getting more information from the footprint. So here, price is actually getting closer to our 90, where we're together here. And I was ready. I mean, I had my stop loss, I have my target, I have everything ready before I even enter the trade. So this is when like risk management comes into place. So right there, it's a representation of the chart that I was looking. I have my stop loss, I have my target, everything ready to go. The only thing that I needed was a confirmation. So right now, the 91, we are starting to get some bits like stepping in. Let's say 100. Let's see, we need more. That's 1,000. It's 1,200 lots here in the bid. Is that the real buyer getting into more long position? I was ready. I have my contract ready to go. So at this moment, I was actually like convinced that this buyer he was a truly buyer, and I decided to go long. I took the market long. My target was the breaks of the highs, and then the 90s. So at this moment, I had a great entry. Um, it was a great trade. The only thing that wasn't working at all, it's that the trade it didn't have like follow through. Like, no real buyers were actually stepping in after the bid. So meaning the market was actually in a range. So eventually, um, the price comes down, and I got stopped for like 3 points. So that's nothing crazy at all. So yeah. So with this in mind, I want to emphasize the importance of risk management. Like, risk management is everything. You have to have your target set, your stop loss set before you even enter your trade. Why? Because it will prevent you from taking like big losses. It will prevent for your account to actually get like gone, So yeah, you have to be very careful with that, and you have to keep improving. And yeah, but yeah, like overall, I think that my analysis and my thesis were like good actually, and I was confident in this trade. Like I was risking like 2 points to make 10, 15 points, so I will take this like 10 out of 10 times, you know. So yeah, this is it for today, and I really hope you guys liked this video, and feel free to join the Discord. That's where I share like all my ideas, my levels of interest. It's all free, like doesn't cost anything. So I'll see you guys later, and yeah, take care.